My name is Lucien JAGGI. I work for the Office of the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs in Geneva, and we're taking care basically of field coordination. That's what we try to do in disaster response mainly. So here we have a one-week course with experts in USAR coordination, so it's urban search and rescue. And basically it makes sure that we all have international standard applied in the disaster response. So the more we are effective in the response, the more lives we can save. And it really starts with a very basic concept that, if we all respond, try to save life at the same place at the same time, it's not going to be effective. We have to use the resources in the most adequate way. So we're trying to coordinate that a team from China, from France, from the USA will be basically addressing those needs wherever they are in the field in the most quick and efficient way. So we have standards, and we share that with the team we practice. So it's a lot of actual exercises to make sure that at the field level they will understand how to communicate. So if we don't speak the same language, we have a marking system. So if a team goes and assesses a site, they work on a site and then they will come back and they will use simple drawings that are basically a universal language. So those guidelines are available online, and we're really helping countries to adopt them. And we have 48 teams that are classified at the international level. And we have both international standard but also national standard, because we really recognize that the first responders are obviously the national authorities. So we're helping them to also adopt standards at the national level. And we have an accreditation process. So if you look at France, for example, at the international level, we have 3 teams that are deploying to respond to emergencies, be it in Nepal, in Latin America, wherever it's needed. So those teams deploy and they are there within a few hours. Well, it's really been a great week, and you see not only that we are transferring a lot of knowledge, but actually there's so much knowledge within the team, because they're all experts from Morocco, Algeria, Germany, France, and they really exchange a lot among the different continents. We have also Australia and US. So you see that they are really passionate about it, and it's you can see that in the room. It's quite fun to see it, and it's very pleasing to see that while you're working on these very grave and serious issues, you can really also have a good time.